Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the double layer effect on TikTok. So let's get started. So first things first, of course, you need to launch TikTok, and once the application is opened, you will then need to go to the search section. Now once you're within the search section, you will then need to search for double layer effect, and once the results are loaded, you will need to tap on the effect that is right above the available videos. Now once you click on this effect, you'd be able to add it to your favorites, or you could go ahead and click on use this effect to utilize this effect. However, you want to ensure that your TikTok is updated, as the effect will not work if it is not the latest version of TikTok. And as you can see, there are quite a few persons actually taking advantage of this effect. So that's pretty much the end of the video on how you'd go about getting the double layer effect on TikTok. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.